Hey travelers, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a quick video just showing you how to book a flight with the Gold Wild Pass for multiple people. I have been getting a lot of questions about that, so make sure you stick around so that way you could check in together. When it's check-in time, more than likely you'll have a seat close by each other as long as you check in 24 hours before the flight. So in this case with the Go Wild Pass, once you book the flight, you'll be able to check in hopefully not too long afterward. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your Frontier account. Once you log into your account, on the main screen there, you're going to pick which airport you're leaving from, where you're going, the destination, and then you're going to pick the date. And right below that, it says travelers. So you're going to pick how many travelers you're going with. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and click on 2. Then I'm going to go ahead and continue. Now on this next page, you're going to see that it's going to show you adult 1, and it's going to show that it shows your Frontier miles as well as your date of birth, and it has a little box that says verified in blue. So that shows that you're logged into your account, and you'll go ahead and plug in the information for the passenger that you're traveling with. Their Frontier miles number and their date of birth is what you'll need. Once you press verify, it's going to show that blue box that shows verify, and then you'll continue to book together, so that way when you check in together and you have more of a likely chance to be seated together. Once you're checked in, they'll give you your boarding passes, which will have your seats on there. So you'll see if you're seated together or at least near each other. If not, remember the hack to listen out for volunteers for the emergency exit, because that's going to give you a lot more leg room, and that's also going to get you to sit together. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again. Safe travels, everyone.